Hello, friends. You are welcome in your favorite YouTube channel, Study Campus. Myself, DP Saucer, going to explain the multiple choice questions from life process of class 10 science. This is NCRT exemplar solution. Let's start. Question number 1. Which of the following statement about the autotrophs is incorrect? A. They synthesize carbohydrate from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This is correct statement. They store carbohydrate in the form of starch. This is also correct. C. They convert carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrate in the absence of sunlight. This is incorrect statement about autotrophs. Yes. The right answer is option C. Question number 2. In which of the following groups of organisms food material is broken down outside the body and absorbed? Right answer is agino, yeast, mushroom, and bread mold. Option B. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 3. Select the correct statement. Option A. Heterotroph do not synthesize their own food. Yes, this is correct statement. Option A is the right answer. Question number 4. Which is the correct sequence of parts in human alimentary canal? Mouth, stomach, small intestine, esophagus, large intestine. This is incorrect. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine. This is also incorrect. Mouth, stomach, esophagus, small intestine, large intestine. This is also incorrect. Correct sequence is mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. The option D is the correct answer. Question number 5. If salivary amylase is lacking in the saliva, which of the following events in the mouth cavity will be affected? Yes, as you know, salivary amylase works on starch. It means option B is the right answer. Starch breaking down into sugars. Question number 6. The inner lining of stomach is protected by one of the following from hydrochloric acid. Choose the correct one. Yes, very simple. Correct answer is option B, mucus. Question number 7. Which part of alimentary canal receives bile from the liver? Yes, option B is the right answer. Small intestine. Question number 8. A few drops of iodine solution were added to rice water. The solution turned blue-black in color. This indicates that rice water contains, yes, starch. Since it is giving blue-black in color with iodine solution, the option D, starch, is the right answer. Question number 9. In which of the part of alimentary canal food is finally digested? Yes, option D, small intestine, is the right answer. As we know, small intestine is the place in the digestive system of human body where a complete digestion of fats, protein, and carbohydrate takes place. Question number 10. Choose the function of pancreatic juice from the following. Correct answer is, as you know, pancreatic juice contains trypsin and lipase enzyme. The trypsin digests protein and lipase emulsified fats. The right answer is option D. Question number 11. When air is blown from mouth into test tube, containing lime water, the lime water turn milky due to presence of, yes, B, carbon dioxide. As you know, when you mix lime water with carbon dioxide, it forms calcium carbonate. Yes, the option B is the correct answer, carbon dioxide. Question number 12. The correct sequence of anaerobic respiration in yeast is, yes, option D, glucose in the cytoplasm, it change into pyruvate with the glycolysis, and in the cytoplasm, it forms ethanol plus carbon dioxide. The option D is the correct sequence. Question number 13. Which of the following most appropriate for aerobic respiration? As you know, in aerobic respirations, first glucose glucose C converted into carbon dioxide, water plus energy. Okay, it takes place in mitochondria cell. Option A is not correct. B, it is also not correct. It means, oh, let's see. Glucose in the presence of cytoplasm, it change into pyruvate, and in the mitochondria, since aerobic respiration takes place, it forms carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Yes, I think option, let's see, option B is correct or incorrect. Let's see, check it again. Option C, glucose, cytoplasm, pyruvate plus energy, mitochondria, carbon dioxide plus H2O. This is wrong. Glucose, cytoplasm, pyruvate, energy, mitochondria, carbon dioxide, water plus energy. The option D is the right answer. Since it is aerobic respirations, the option D is the right answer. Glucose and glycolysis takes place in the cytoplasm, and it converted into pyruvate plus energy, and finally in the mitochondria complete digestion takes place, forms carbon dioxide, water plus energy. Question number 14. Which of the following statements are true about respiration? I think option D, in the alveoli exchange of gases takes place. This is right. And hemoglobin has greater affinity for carbon dioxide than oxygen. This is also this is also correct statement. During inhalation, ribs moves inward and diaphragm is raised. No, this is incorrect. The option D is the right answer. Which is the correct sequence of air passage during inhalation? Very important. Very important. Nostril, right? Pharynx, larynx, trachea, and alveoli. Option D. Option D is the right answer. So I hope, dear students, you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe Study Campus YouTube channel and press the bell button so that you can get notification for upcoming video. Thank you. Jai Hind. Bye. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.